Hello, everyone. Welcome to Review of Day, your trusted channel for detailed reviews of the most talked about products. Today, we will talk about a product that has generated much curiosity and interest, the Arctic Blast. But before we dive into the details, I need to alert you to an important issue. With the increase in popularity of this product, there have been several misleading offers on unofficial sites. To ensure you are buying a legitimate and safe product, stay with us until the end of the video and check out the tips on how to identify the official sites. Arctic Blast is a topical supplement designed to provide effective relief for muscle and joint aches and pains. Its innovative formula combines natural ingredients that promise a refreshing and effective relief for those seeking quick pain relief. The main benefit of Arctic Blast is localized pain relief. If you suffer from muscle pain, joint pain, or any similar discomfort, this product can be a practical solution. Users report a feeling of freshness and immediate relief after application, which can help improve quality of life and allow you to carry out your daily activities with more comfort. The key ingredients of Arctic Blast include menthol, provides a refreshing effect and pain relief; arnica extract, known for its anti-inflammatory and healing properties; turmeric extract, provides antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits; eucalyptus oil, helps relax the muscles and relieve pain. These ingredients have been selected to create a potent and safe formula, which aims to provide relief without the common side effects of traditional medicines. The transformation that Arctic Blast can bring to your life is significant. Imagine being able to get rid of the persistent pain that limits your mobility and affects your quality of life. With the Arctic Blast, many users report a noticeable improvement in their ability to perform daily activities with more freedom and less discomfort. It's more than a relief. It's a chance to regain your vitality and well-being. The Arctic Blast comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Most offers include a 60-day period, where you can try the product and if not satisfied, request a full refund. This warranty demonstrates manufacturers' confidence in the effectiveness of the product and gives you additional security in your purchase. For best results, apply Arctic Blast directly to the affected area. Apply a small amount and massage gently until the product is absorbed into the skin. We recommend using twice a day, morning and evening, for continuous pain relief. The first results can be noticed in a matter of minutes, with an immediate feeling of freshness. However, for more lasting and complete results, it is recommended to use the product consistently for at least a week. The answer may vary from person to person, so it is important to be patient and continue using as directed. Well, guys, we've reached the end of our review of Arctic Blast. If you are looking for a practical and effective solution to relieve your muscle and joint pain, this product can be an excellent option. Don't forget to check the official website, which is linked in the description and comment posted, to ensure that you are purchasing the product authentic and safe. If you liked the video, be sure to leave your like and subscribe to the Review of Day channel for more reviews like this. We have many other interesting products to explore, and we want to make sure you are always well informed.